8 shocking benefits of drinking garlic water first thing in the morning. Drinking garlic water in the morning might just be one of the simplest ways to boost your health. Here are 10 reasons why garlic water could be a game changer for your health. 1. Strengthens your immune system. Garlic is known for its natural immunity-boosting powers, which are due primarily to its high allicin content. Allicin is a sulfur compound that activates when garlic is crushed, releasing properties that help the immune system by fighting off viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Drinking garlic water on an empty stomach allows the allicin to work more effectively in your body, giving your immune system a proactive boost. Especially during cold and flu season, this little habit can be a great way to stay well protected naturally. Beyond protection from colds, garlic's immune support can contribute to more robust health over the long term. Studies have shown that regular intake of garlic may reduce the frequency and severity of illnesses, including more common infections. It's a preventive measure that goes beyond just battling symptoms and instead works at a cellular level to protect the body from pathogens before they take hold. 2. Aids in better digestion. Drinking garlic water first thing in the morning can significantly improve digestion. By stimulating digestive enzymes, garlic prepares your stomach for a day of processing nutrients more efficiently. This can lead to better absorption of vitamins and minerals, which means you're getting more out of the food you eat. Improved digestion also helps to prevent issues like indigestion and acid reflux, so you're not only eating well but also digesting well. Additionally, garlic acts as a prebiotic, which means it nourishes the healthy bacteria in your gut. A balanced gut microbiome supports smoother digestion, reduces bloating, and can even improve mood by regulating hormones like serotonin. With consistent consumption, garlic water could lead to less digestive discomfort and a generally happier gut. 3. Promotes heart health. One of the most valuable benefits of garlic water is its effect on heart health. Garlic's compounds can help relax blood vessels and improve circulation, reducing high blood pressure over time. Studies have shown that garlic's sulfur compounds help stimulate the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps blood vessels dilate, making it easier for blood to flow. For anyone with high blood pressure or other cardiovascular concerns, garlic water is an easy addition to support heart health naturally. Moreover, garlic's effect on cholesterol is another factor that supports heart health. By lowering bad LDL cholesterol while raising good HDL cholesterol, garlic can help prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. Plaque buildup, or atherosclerosis, is a leading cause of heart disease. Drinking garlic water daily may contribute to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart-related issues over the years. 4. Helps reduce inflammation. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties are another powerful aspect of this plant. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to long-term health issues, including arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Compounds in garlic, such as quercetin and sulfur, actively reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which helps relieve pain and prevent chronic disease. Starting your day with garlic water can help manage inflammation at its root. For those dealing with specific inflammatory conditions like arthritis, garlic water can provide gentle support to reduce swelling and joint pain. With its natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits, garlic doesn't just alleviate symptoms but targets the causes of inflammation, making it a helpful addition to any health routine focused on wellness and longevity. 5. Supports weight management. If you're looking to manage or lose weight, garlic water could be a surprising ally. Garlic has compounds that mildly suppress appetite, helping you control cravings and reduce unnecessary snacking. Additionally, garlic's ability to support blood sugar balance can prevent energy spikes and crashes that often lead to reaching for sugary snacks. Adding garlic water to your morning routine helps maintain steadier energy levels and may reduce the temptation to indulge in high-calorie treats. Another benefit is that garlic may speed up your metabolism, allowing your body to burn calories more efficiently. While it won't replace healthy eating and exercise, garlic water can play a supportive role in weight management by encouraging your body to use energy more effectively. Combined with other healthy habits, it may help you reach your weight goals more naturally and sustainably. 6. Acts as a detox for the body. Our bodies naturally detoxify every day, but garlic water can give this process a helpful boost. Garlic's sulfur compounds stimulate liver enzymes responsible for breaking down toxins and flushing them out of your system. Drinking garlic water in the morning gives these enzymes a head start, helping your body rid itself of waste and unwanted substances more effectively. This detox effect also supports healthier skin, better energy levels, and a more balanced body overall. By reducing the load of toxins, your liver can focus on other vital functions, and you may notice positive changes in how you feel daily. A gentle daily detox like garlic water can be a refreshing addition to your morning routine for overall well-being. 7. Improve skin health. Garlic's antioxidants are highly beneficial for the skin, helping to combat oxidative stress that causes wrinkles, dullness, and other signs of aging. By drinking garlic water, you're consuming antioxidants that help reduce free radicals, which damage skin cells over time. This leads to a fresher, more youthful appearance and may reduce occurrences of acne and other skin issues. Additionally, garlic promotes better blood circulation, meaning that essential nutrients and oxygen are delivered more effectively to skin cells. This not only gives the skin a healthy glow, but also aids in faster healing of any blemishes or scars. If you're seeking a natural way to improve skin health, garlic water is a great option for glowing, healthier skin from within. 8. Supports respiratory health. Garlic has both anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can be helpful for respiratory health. If you struggle with respiratory issues like asthma, allergies, or frequent congestion, garlic water may help reduce symptoms by clearing mucus and easing inflammation in the respiratory passages. Drinking it regularly might offer some gentle, natural relief. These properties also make garlic water beneficial during cold and flu season, as it helps prevent and manage symptoms associated with respiratory infections. By keeping your lungs and respiratory system clear, garlic water can make breathing easier and support respiratory wellness, especially in challenging weather or environments. To make garlic water, start by peeling 1 or 2 cloves of fresh garlic and then crush or finely chop them. Crushing the garlic releases allicin, its most powerful compound, which is responsible for many of garlic's health benefits. Allowing the crushed garlic to sit for a minute or two helps maximize this allicin content. Next, take a cup of warm water. Avoid boiling water, as high heat can damage some beneficial compounds, and pour it over the prepared garlic. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, giving the garlic a chance to release its nutrients into the water. Drink the garlic water as is, or if the taste is too strong, add a bit of honey or a slice of lemon for flavor. Both honey and lemon provide additional health benefits. Honey adds soothing antioxidants, while lemon boosts vitamin C and has its own cleansing effect. For optimal results, drink the garlic water in the morning on an empty stomach about 20 minutes before breakfast, allowing your body to fully absorb its nutrients and start the day with a healthful kick. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest insights on health and nutrition.